Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to earn 30% increase staking your 1-inch token on Binance Earn. So before I go straight into this video tutorial, on my YouTube channel I drop video updates on how you can make money online, ranging from surveys, affiliate marketing, and cryptocurrency and what have you. So if that's what you want, if that's what you are interested in, then go ahead to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever I drop videos about make money online. So I get into the video. So right now I'm going to talk to you about 1-inch token and what it is. So let me search 1-inch token and give you some information about 1-inch token. So 1-inch token is on number 104 on market cap. So the market capitalization of 1-inch token is $594 million, and the total circulation supply is $172 million. The total supply is about $1.5 billion. So if you look at the introduction, 1-inch token consists of the 1-inch exchange DEX. DEX means decentralized exchange, and you can see what this token does. It gives liquidity protocol. So this token was formerly called Swap, and you can trade this token on Binance. So right now, how do you earn over 30% 1-inch on Binance? So what you need to do right now is to go to Binance and this is what people do almost every day to make more money from their cryptocurrencies. So ensure you go straight and end this video with me. So once you go to Binance and you scroll down, if you are using the mobile phone, you would see savings, BNB vault, log staking, and Ethereum 2.0 staking. So all you need to do is to click on log staking. So you can see this button right here, the view more button. So click on the view more button. So once you click on the view more button, you scroll down until you get to 1-inch. So you can see right now this is 1-inch, and if you stake this 1-inch token for 15 days, you're going to be getting 31.79% interest. So if you stake it for 30 days, you're going to be getting 5.6% interest, and if you stake for 60 days, you're going to be getting 9.23 interest. So what I do is every 15 days I come back to stake this 1-inch token. So as I clicked on 15 days right here, you can see it 15 days right here. So all I need to do is to click on stake now. You see stake now button right here. So click on stake now for 15 days. So once I click on stake now for 15 days, it takes me to this user interface, and as you can see, the minimum I can stake, like I said, is 0.1 inch, 0.11 inch, 0.11 inch, and the maximum I can stake is about 151 inch. So you can see it right here. So if I decide to start staking today, which is 17th of June, the interest rate will start counting on the 18th of June. So as you can see, the estimated APY is 31.79%. So all I need to do is go here and enter the quantity of Matic I want to stake. I have about 7.7 I said Matic, 1-inch. I am very sorry, 1-inch. I have about 7.7 1-inch token that I want to stake. So what I need to do is just to click on maximum. So once I click on max, it will impute my total number of 1-inch automatically. So once I do that, all I need to do is just to scroll down. Once I scroll down, I agree to the terms and agreement right here. You would want to also read about the Binance Service Agreement before clicking on that. So once I do that, I click on confirm purchase. So you can see I'm subscribed. So my redemption date for this token is July 4, 2021. July 4, 2021. So guys, that's how to make more profits by staking your 1-inch token on the Binance staking platform. So what I need to do now is just to click on done. So right before I click on done, guys, Guys, if you have watched this video to this point, I want you to do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, and do yourself a favor by turning the notification bell on, so that whenever I post updates like this, you would be the first to see it. So I click on done, and that's all. So you can always see your money under the Binance Earn. If you go to your wallet under overview, you see it under the Binance Earn right here. That's where you can see all your staked money. So if I click on Binance Earn, I'll see all the available staking. So right now you can see this is my 1 inch that I've staked. I also staked Matic not quite long. So guys, that's it. Ensure that you enjoy the video and share this to your friend. Thank you very much. Have a great day.